Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're taking a closer look at the 2024 KGM Korando. Now I know what you're thinking, KGM who? But stick with me, because this Underdog crossover might just surprise you. SsangYong has been rebranded to KGM. Let's kick things off with the basics. The Korando is a small to medium-sized SUV that's been flying under the radar in all car markets. But for 2024, it's bringing some serious value to the table. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It's not going to set your hair on fire with 160 horsepower and 280 newton-meters of torque, but it gets the job done. The 6-speed auto keeps things smooth, and it's front-wheel drive only now, folks. Now let's talk about the drive. One thing that really impressed me was the ride quality. Even with the 19-inch wheels on our ultimate trim tester, it soaked up bumps like a champ. Sure, it's not a corner carver, but for daily driving, it's comfy as. Step inside, and you're greeted with a bit of a mixed bag. The 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster looks slick, but the 8-inch infotainment screen? It's starting to feel a bit small in 2024. And don't get me started on all the piano black trim. It looks great now, but give it a few months, and it'll be Scratch City. Space-wise though, the Korando's got it where it counts. Plenty of room in the back for your mates or the kids, and the boot's decent at 407 liters. Just don't expect rear air vents. Bit of an oversight there, KGM. On the safety front, you're well covered. We're talking autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, the works. And if you spring for the ultimate trim, you get adaptive cruise with lane centering. Not too shabby. Now let's talk dollars and cents. The top spec Ultimate we tested, it's hitting the road at $38,000 drive away. That's sharp pricing for what you're getting. Chuck in a 7-year unlimited K warranty and cheap servicing, and it starts to look even better. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The Korando's got a thirst for premium fuel, and in city driving, we saw it gulping down over 11 liters per 100 kilometers. Ouch. So, what's the verdict? Look, the KGM Korando isn't perfect. The infotainment's a bit behind the times. It likes a drink? Come on, it's 2024. But here's the thing. It's comfortable, well-equipped, and seriously good value. If you're shopping on a budget and don't mind stepping away from the usual suspects, the Korando's worth a look. It's not going to dethrone the segment leaders, but it doesn't need to. The Korando is the plucky underdog that proves you don't need a fancy badge to get a decent crossover. So, would I recommend it? If you're after value for money and don't mind going off the beaten path, absolutely. Take one for a spin. You might just be surprised. And that's a wrap on the 2024 KGM Korando. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, would you consider a KGM for your next car? Until next time, happy driving! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.